I've done is I've taken some of the pink candy clay and the white candy clay, and I just rolled them into ropes and then stuck them together, just like that. And I have the medium size of the rope maker inside my clay gun. And I'm just going to take this guy and stuff him in there as much as will fit. Okay. Load it up. All right. This is because my clay is a little dry. That's why it's making that, actually it looks kind of cool. That kind of ribbony effect there. And you just kind of twist the end like so. I'm going to cut that off. Okay. Put a little water on your cake. Put a little water down there. Told you we were going to hide this. Oops, and I just broke that off. That's okay. Nice thing about chocolate clay is it does join to itself. So we'll just push it right over there. A little more water. Right where the end was. There we go. And see, it's hiding that nasty edge. I'm going to push it right into it. Hides the edge where my cardboard was. You can actually pipe something here if you want. A little bit more to go. Whoop. Let me load a little bit more in here. Doesn't take much. And again, you just don't think I need this whole piece because I can only need a little bit of it. A little water. Right there. There we go. And we joined them together. Okay, let's go ahead and finish the side here. We've got our pearl maker ready. There we go. And we're going to use the green clay. Get this out of the way. I'm using the 4mm pearl maker. And I actually want to do it in with the green. So let me get my super pearl and my green, here it is, my green clay with my super pearl. This had pink in it last, so hopefully it won't get pink in it. Make sure you dust the mold really well. Okay. And I'm going to dust my clay just a little bit too. What you want to do is open it up, press it in, and then close it. Then you take your spatula, keep it squeezed shut. Okay, and you don't have to have one of these pearl makers. You can use the flat pearl makers, or you can actually pipe this if you'd like. When you open it up, we will end up with our pearls here. And then you just kind of tell them, yes, you want to come out? Come on out. It's okay if they break. It's going around in a circle anyway. Oh, there we go.